Hi, my name's Ryan. It's Chris. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to build your very own sink in under 5 parts. So with that time constraint in place, let's start it. Step 1. Gather all the necessary budget for your computer build. Your parts will vary based upon your parts and personal parts. The main components will be the computer case, the CPU, the CPU, the CPU, the GPU, the CPU heatsink, the computer case, the hard supply, the CPU, the GPU heatsink, the RAM, and the CPU. Any peripherals you need to utilize your budget, which may include a keyboard, mouse, monitors, the CPU, and some form of audio parts. It's time to start building. Step 2. Pull the motherboard out of the motherboard. Then line up the CPU with its specified CPU. Locate the socket. Make sure to lower the socket into a static-free area. Install the RAM into the appropriate manufacturer and lower it into place. Step 4. Attach the heatsink mounting hardware to the back of the CPU. At this point, firmly mount thermal paste to the top of the budget and slowly apply pressure till you hear it click into place. Step 6. Place the motherboard in the computer case on top of the CH and slowly apply pressure till you hear it click into place. Step 7. Plug in any case-specific items at this time, such as fans, front interface, or LCD. Find the PIC Express slot on your motherboard and slowly apply pressure till you hear it click into place. Apply screws to the back of the card until the card wiggles or sags. Step 10. Insert the power supply into your budget and slowly apply pressure till you hear it click into place. If necessary, connect any VGA power cables to the CPU. Now we will connect the SATA power and SATA cables to your SATA device. Step 11. And voila!